Hello friends, Speedball Mike Bailey here, Speed Vlog Mike Bailey. We are in Philadelphia. We are flying to Tampa today. I am here with Jake the dog, aka Veda Scott, and we are about to go. It's sunny. The sun is in your eyes.
Very sunny.
There is a security guard looking into the car suspiciously.
He just did this.
He was just peering.
He just did the take it home.
Take it home. All right. Thank you so much, sir, for directing my vlog. I don't understand. The security guards at airports were like, hey,
he's
just keep it moving.
Ticket. We gotta go. He's
okay. All right. I love you.
I love you.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
All right, friends. We flew down. We are out here, and it is beautiful. Look at this. Clear water in Clearwater, Florida. Like I was saying before we got prompted to move, if you work for if your job is to give out parking tickets, just know that you can just not. Like if you're doing security and people aren't in danger, you can just not do your job and that's okay. However, today I have to go do my job, so let's hit it. All right, hold on, let me vlog this first. Hello friends! We're doing the meet and greet. It's beach break. Okay, let's go. Who's got questions? Hey, Brody.
Hey, Speedball.
We got to do a little match.
You're a little masky.
Little. The sun's in my face. It's gonna be so hot out there.
I'll tell you what. Choosing to wear a winter jacket and a ski mask was maybe a bad idea.
Right?
Yep.
So yeah, I dare you to wrestle in the jacket.
Fuck no.
Do it. Lock up in it at least.
Maybe. This is a lucha match, you know?
Yep. We're just going out there with Mystico, with the world's greatest luchador, maybe the most famous wrestler in the world.
Yeah.
Just to, get them
Sells
going.
out Arena Mexico on a weekly basis.
Yeah. Now we're in Clearwater, Florida. Gonna make people happy. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's fucking go.
For the love of the game.
Bag of tricks.
Wait, no, you think I'm Canadian. We don't do pop-outs.
Okay, no, I want to think of the deal. I seen Under the Ring pre-match, okay?
Hey, we're live streaming.
We live.
Match. Agent Zero.
Yeah.
Agent Double Zero.
Best friends, us.
We're best friends now. Got chat right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he admitted off camera that I could beat him up.
No, I absolutely did not. I mean,
think he did do that.
This is the VOD stays on, right?
I'm live, man.
We're gonna be able to go watch it. See that I would never say such a thing because I don't believe it to be true.
Yeah, right.
I'd love to find out though. You know, this is what I do for a living.
I thought it was out of pity, but he was being serious, guys.
I'm down to go whenever you are.
Maybe just give me like Well, you cut it now. It's a YouTube video.
No, I'm not gonna cut it. We're gonna keep rolling. I want the answer. How long do you need to prepare before you and I have a match?
Okay, let's do like 2 weeks maybe.
2 weeks?
Yep.
Hell yeah, you got it.
All right.
Let's go.
I just lied again.
Speedball Bailey, thank y'all so much.
Yes, thanks for having me.
All right, so I just went on live TV and did what I had to do. I called my shot for this Saturday. I said, Don Callis, it's time for you to stick it. Don Callis. So I need to start taking gold away from the Don Callis family and take it for myself. So this Saturday on Collision, it'll be me and Mark Davis one-on-one for the national title. It's gonna bang. So yeah. Now Kenny and MJF is happening now. So I'm gonna go check that out. Kenny just kicked out of the Heat Seeker. Will just took the diamond ring. This is insane. And we're back. It's Thursday. We're home for a day, and then tomorrow we're leaving again to Roanoke, Virginia.
Yes, that's what's happening. For you. Yeah.
Saturday, Veda, you're going to enjoy wrestling this weekend. Very exciting. Looking forward to that. Did you see Kenny Omega's the new AEW World Champion? So that's exciting.
Yep.
All right.
Good job, Kenny.
Good job, Kenny. Now I gotta lock in. Mark Davis coming up. Let's go.
Are you leaving tomorrow?
Hello, friends. Speedball Miguel here. It is Saturday, and I am in Walnut Bottom right now. I stopped for gas. I'm driving to Roanoke for Collision, where I'll challenge Mark Davis for the national title. Let's fucking go! All right, friends, we made it. Berglund Center, here we come. Easy drive, you know. My plan is to drive back tonight after the show, so hopefully I can drive back to champion and not beat up too bad. I'll do my best. All right, so we're here backstage Collision.
We are
In Roanoke, Virginia.
Roanoke.
And,
they made an American Horror Story season called Roanoke.
Really?
Yes, there's a lot of haunted things here.
Horned things?
Haunted, not horny.
Horned.
Horned?
You said that very Virginia accent. Yeah, horned.
Sorry, my wife's like Southern, so sometimes it just like
It just comes
a
out.
little bit of that twang, you know.
But speaking of things that are haunted,
Yes,
the Don Callis family.
very haunted.
They're doing it to themselves.
Yeah.
And tonight we're both taking on members of the Don Callis family. You got Big Brian Cage,
Yep.
the
Mr.
BBC.
GM, what is it? GMSI, Mr. GMSI.
Get my shit
You
in.
ain't getting my shit in. You ain't gonna get your shit in tonight, boy.
And I've got Big Mark Davis for the national championship,
Which you will win.
which I will win, and you will beat Brian Cage too.
Yes, we will. #1 national champion.
Gonna send a message to the Don Callis family as well as the entire world.
Bingo.
By getting shit done. Let's go. Let's drive the demons out. All right, friends, it's coming up. Let's do it. New AEW national champion. Let's go.
Some kind of leak in this top.
Oh, you know what? I
Like
wonder
a
if that
bullshit.
one's. I wonder if that one's not a.
It's shooting out at the lure lock component. Like it's not actually making it up into the needle to come out.
I don't know if you can see it. If you guys can see it, let me get my flash. All right, there it is.
Does it just say when you put it in to get resistance?
Can you help me out? Yeah. Can you just get show the gash
It was not.
so I can get demonetized on YouTube?
Okay. Yeah.
That worked.
It looks like that.
Okay.
Might have to put this in black and white. I don't know. Can you see it?
I got you.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Is it
Yeah.
for me to numb you up?
As you can see, things are bad, but you know, they'll get better. All right, friends, it's 4:30 a.m. I just made it home, so lots to discuss, and we'll talk about it all tomorrow. Hello, friends. It is Sunday night, and I am in dire need of some recovery, which I am getting. You know, I've been beating myself up all day, and I made a tweet, and I meant what I said, you know. But, you know, and I think about it, and maybe things aren't so bad. Maybe ultimately I'm doing alright.
Floating around.
Floating around.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. We gotta do this thing.
You got motion sensor light. Help.
Yeah. Help.
Okay, well this is fine. This is
Yeah,
alright.
this is fine.
It is okay.
Yeah.
It's just like a little sliver of purple.
We're gonna go away anyways because I need this edited. But friends, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll be back. I'll come back stronger. Hot water helps me heal my muscles.
Maybe with less staples in your head.
Yeah, I still have some staples in my head. Yeah, we're gonna take those out and we'll get going again. Thank y'all so much for watching.